We're done with the roof, all fastened. So now we will go inside and we will install the cathedral gusset. I'm putting this gusset with S12. This is the black pan screw. There is a line here that would be your guide. So it is a support as well as a decoration. Then we go to the other side, and that should be it for the gusset. Next, we'll do the braces for the PC channel. This is metal for the short and center. This one is actually metal also, just so you know. So it goes in here. So maybe it's good to have it on the center. So I'm gonna measure the center. 45. So it's gonna be 22.5. 22.5. We're gonna fasten it with S10. This is the one that goes on the center. PC support brace A. This is how it looks. It's loose. And this one has to be supporting the panel. So it has to touch the panel. There. Flush. Touching this. And this is the one that goes on the corners, the shorter one. PC support brace B. It is loose. Check this one as well. Yeah, it's loose. The manual doesn't say where to put it, but I just imagine it has to be in the center, or it's better to be in the center. It goes like this. There's a fold in here. I'll show you, but first it's gonna go like this. There's a slack in here, so I probably gonna use a shim to support it, to make it tighter. This one goes to the roof, tight, supporting the roof like this. Not like that, not flat. It has to be this according to the manual. And then there are two screws here that goes bottom side, upper side. And I guess it's easier to put it this way, going up, instead of this pointing down. I measured 22.5 from here to here. I marked it, so it's easier for me. 45. Let's mark. Let's mark everything. I notice about 1/8 space. First screw, pre-drilling, not all the way, to hold on to it. If you don't have this, yeah, I'm gonna do it this way. This one moved a little bit, but that's fine. Hmm, it cracked, split. Let me drill it all the way. Yeah, I think I have to drill it all the way because it is so near the edge. Yeah, I just don't know why they did not put the hole. So I'm gonna use a bigger drill bit, which is 1/8. It's already split, so I don't think that it matters. Maybe to have some space, we will have it kind of slanted. Some flaw in the design. Now, that one. Braces done. On this side, I did not use shim. It's a little bit curvy here, but that's fine. I let it, now this one I used, but yeah, this one I did not use. I just force it to fold a little bit outward. I guess that's what it's designed for. For the first one I used, or I did, I have shims. And I tried to be discreet by putting it on this side. Unfortunately, the first one I did, it shows, it doesn't look good.